how to remove credit card details from Agoda. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card details from Agoda, whether you've changed cards or just want to remove your old payment info for security reasons. This tutorial will guide you through the steps, so let's get started. First things first, open the Agoda app on your phone, or you can simply go to the Agoda website on your browser and log into your account by entering your username and password. Now go to your account settings by simply tapping on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, what you need to do is tap on Agoda My Saved Cards. This will take you to a web browser. Here you should see the list of all the credit cards or payment methods that are linked to your Agoda account. Just next to your credit card information, there should be an option to remove or delete it. Simply tap on that option. Agoda will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the credit card from your account. Just confirm the action by tapping yes or confirm. Once you confirm, the credit card will be removed from your Agoda account. And that's it. You've successfully removed your credit card details from Agoda.